following video demonstrates some of the key functionality of the Sundial electronic whiteboard shift planning tool, which has been designed to replace manual shift planning processes. The site crew roster is configured in the calendar module of the Sundial whiteboard system. Crews can be split into individual plans. This demonstration shows a production plan, a labor plan, and a maintenance plan. A new unique plan is created and stored for each day shift combination. When we open up our shift into the main whiteboard planning interface, we see that we've created three plans: a production plan, a labor plan, and a maintenance plan. Generally, the first step of planning the production shift is to allocate the current mining locations or general work areas required for the shift. Once we've defined our work areas for the shift, the next stage is to allocate equipment to those individual work areas. In this demonstration, we'll firstly allocate our load and haul fleet. Again, all allocations are done with a simple drag and drop technique. And we'll also allocate some ancillary equipment to the shift. In a similar fashion, we'll allocate equipment to the workshop. These equipment can include unscheduled breakdowns and scheduled or planned servicing. In order to effectively communicate the shift plan, we may need to add additional information to equipment. This information could include things like material assignments for loading units, dump or destination assignments for haul circuits, as well as production activities, reason codes, or cost centers for individual equipment. Additional tags or display codes can be configured as required. The same drag and drop technique is used to highlight downtimes or scheduled servicing for equipment in the workshop or on production planes. The next important step is to add operators to our individual plans. We start by selecting the relevant production crew and using the drag and drop method to allocate operators to individual equipment. We can also allocate operators to the labor plan for areas such as annual leave, sick duties, light duties, etc. The system also supports the ability to communicate other information on the whiteboard. This information may include things like upcoming drill and blast scheduling, general shift comments such as hazards, projects, or auxiliary work, and also comments related to individual pieces of equipment or operators. A full screen viewing mode is available for shift presentation. Changes can be made from within this view, as well as functionality such as printing the plan. Various system tools exist within the software. The most commonly used include shift locking, time-saving functionality such as carryover shift, which brings allocations forward from the previous shift. Account administration. And various formatting options to optimize the display. System configuration is performed through an easy-to-use setup interface. All setup is stored in a tree view tabular structure. Adding new entries is as simple as clicking on an object such as water cart, scrolling to the bottom of the list, and adding the new entry. The same process is followed for adding new objects such as materials, locations, or operators. Information can also be uploaded through an easy-to-use Excel upload interface, and interfaces are also available to commonly used fleet management systems and HR